In this video, I'll show you how you can get free skins in League of Legends. Now the first method is you can grind keys and chests. Now let me show you what this is. When you go to loot right here, you can see you'll have a bunch of keys and you can also get chests. Now the way that you get the keys is by being honored, having a high honor level and performing well in your games. So if you perform really well in a ranked game and you get a lot of honors from your teammates and you're a high honor level, there's a big chance that you'll get a key fragment. Now once you have 3 key fragments, you can make them into a key. So let me just make these and you'll get the key down here. Now to use the keys you need a chest, and to get the chest, before you used to need to get a S+ on a champion, I believe, but these days what you can do is you need to have 5 games on a champion where you get at least C or above. Now, how do you get C and above? It's basically just performing well. It's about combat, vision score, and stuff like that, how you manage your gold. So if you have a lot of gold, a lot of CS, good vision score, a good KDA, a lot of damage in a game, you'll usually, most of the time, get above C. Now keep in mind, it is compared to other people on the same champion. So if you want to get a high tier easily, what you can do is play something not many people play. Like let's say you could play Thresh top or something, because many people perform really bad with that. So if you have a good game on it, you'll get a high score because it's from other people on that champion in that role that you're being compared with. Now when you get the chest and the keys, just simply get many keys by being high honor, perform well, get many chests, playing the same champion and get high gradings. Then you can open the chest and you can get skins. Now another way you can get skins is you can join the Clash. Usually League of Legends will have a Clash tournament. They don't have one right now, they had one a few days ago. They host these very often. Now these are also in different tiers, so if you're a low tiered you can still play and play against others around the same elo. Now the better you perform in Clash, the better rewards you will get, and that can be different kind of skins and all of that stuff. Those are the ways that you can get the free skins right now, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.